Did you know that one of history's most shocking assassinations happened with a simple umbrella poke on a busy London bridge? September 7, 1978. Bulgarian writer Georgy Markov was walking across a Waterloo Bridge when a stranger bumped into him. The man jabbed Markov's leg with his umbrella, mumbled an apology, and disappeared into the crowd. Markov felt a sharp sting but thought nothing of it. Just a clumsy tourist with an umbrella. 4 days later, he was dead. The umbrella wasn't ordinary. Soviet agents had turned it into a deadly weapon. Hidden inside the tip was a tiny pellet filled with ricin poison. When the assassin pulled the trigger disguised as the umbrella handle, it fired the pellet deep into Markov's leg. The ricin slowly liquefied his organs from the inside. Doctors couldn't figure out what was killing him until it was too late. The pellet was smaller than a pinhead, with microscopic holes that released the poison gradually. It was nearly undetectable and absolutely lethal. The perfect crime hidden in plain sight.